This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into Distrokid and locating the specific release you want to change. Once done, select that release and choose Edit Release. This moves you into the editable metadata view. Make sure you have the exact new artist name spelled how you want it displayed, plus any collaborator credits and the original release date for reference. This saves time during the edit flow and prevents accidental changes to other fields. Proceed now to update the artist field directly in the release editor. Now you change the artist name field inside the release editor and confirm capitalization, spacing, and punctuation. These affect how stores display you. Then adjust related metadata, featured artists, composer credits, and any SRC or UPC concerns, because some platforms link by SRC. Once edited, use the preview or store links Distrokid provides to verify how the change will appear across storefronts. If the release is part of an album, make sure all tracks reflect the new artist to keep consistency across services. Finish by saving and submitting your edits. You'll see a processing message and a typical update window of 24 to 72 hours. Once submitted, you can check individual stores after 1 day and clear browser or store caches if you still see the old name. Remember, caches often delay visible updates. If a change is rejected or an artist page link breaks, gather the release ID and screenshots. Then contact Distrokid support. Explain the issue clearly so they can reassign or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.